welcome back. Today I am putting together a little Happy Meal package for my daughter, and so I thought I would share it with you all. So a couple things are some Girl Scout cookies, some Thin Mints, and trefoils. I know it's a little bit late, but they'll still be good. And then I got her a couple eyeliners. This one's purple, and this one is a green. I don't know if I can read the names of them, but I got them at Target, and it's a brand that she's gotten before, so I thought that would be a fun surprise. And then I don't know if y'all recall, earlier this year I did a Happy Meal, kind of a fun little package for her to play around with and see what she might want to create, or she can use them in her journals. So I thought I'd show you all what I'm going to send her. So this is just some little washi tape that looks like lace. And then on this little bag, I thought it would be fun just to put a bunch of samples of some different washi tapes. And then she can peel these off and use them as she wishes. And then I have just a bunch of little pieces, little scraps. So this is a little book tab, but I thought she could probably think of something fun to do. And then some denim fabric, and I'll probably put them all in this little bag off camera. And then I thought I'd send her a few of these little wreaths that I made. I'm sure she'll come up with something creative. And then just some little embellishments, some mushroom stickers, flower stickers, butterflies, and some Tim Holtz flowers, and then just some more little fabric and lace and ribbon pieces, and just some scrap fabric and some twine. It's really cool. Her and her boyfriend Isaac, they've actually done a collage in their bathroom on the wall. So they've taken a lot of their senior thesis posters and artwork they've created and kind of collaged on one of the walls in their bathroom, and it looks so cool. And then just a bunch of little lace and ribbon scraps, mushroom, and some music page, and then these cute little squirrel papers, and some doilies, and another fun little sticker, and this fun little paper. I really thought she'd like that angel. And then some tea-dyed doily, and some tea-dyed paper. And then I pulled out a stash of napkins. This is one of my favorite napkins. And look how pretty that one is. And my hummingbirds, and these pretty little daisies, and then this leaf one. And then, I have, I don't know if the embossing video will be up when you see this one, but if so, then you'll know where these came from. So I thought it would be fun to send these to her and see what she could make of those. And then when I made these for the Happy Meal, she had told me that she liked this one, so I thought I would send her this. So I put one of these Tim Holtz, I forget what these little vellum things were called. And then I also made her a little card, journaling card, or she could do whatever she wants with it. And then I put a couple guest checks in there that she could play around with. So it's not a huge haul, but thought it'd be something that she would enjoy, and get that out to her. So let me know what you all think. And I think what we're gonna do, she and I have been talking, is she's gonna video whatever it is she makes with these items, and then we'll put that up on this channel. So I thought that would be a whole lot of fun. So, all right, so just a quick little video, thought I'd share with you all. the little Happy Meal package I'm sending out to her. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye, everybody.